Hi, this is Rob Lawrence from SolveTech, and I'm going to discuss data management for the PR2000 Precision Profiler. I'm going to discuss 4 data management options, including the standard PFL files, exporting the data to Excel, exporting to a .text, .dat, or CSV file, and the autosave options that help your operator. The benefits of doing this include quickly and easily saving your data, automatically importing your data into data management software, and this allows you to create a complete historical record of everything you're producing, and you can analyze this data for continuous improvement purposes. This allows you to manage your quality data across multiple plant sites very easily. Let's start with the standard format. I'm going to do a quick run here. When I stop the run, I'm going to save the file as a .pfl file, which is the native file type for this software. So I'm just typing that in here and saving it. So when I'm going to close out the file, and then I'm going to reopen it just so you can see. You have to open it with the program. Now you can put multiple copies of the program on other computers so you can view these files in other locations. Next, I'm going to export the data to Excel. So I do that with one click of a button here, and you can see the file open right here in Excel. Next, I'm going to export the data to a text file or a CSV or .dat file. It's all kind of the same thing. You can really open it in a number of different ways, but it's basically a text file. So anyway, I'm saving that here. And then I'm going to go ahead and open that with Excel. I select all files so I can see it, and then open that test sample. And I'm going to select comma separated values here, as we consider this a CSV file. You can see now that the file is opened in Excel, the text file, as a CSV. So now I have access to that, and that text file can easily be accessed by data management programs. I'm going to exit that. Next, I'm going to talk about auto-saving files. First, I'll clear my plot, and then I go to Installation Parameters, User Fields and Prompts, and I can see I have a bunch of options here. So now I'm going to select the user ID field, and I can change that to whatever I want. So here I put line number. I could change this one if I like, but I'm going to change this one here to plant site. Then I select if I want to include those in the prompts, and I'm going to select that I do. I'm also going to select auto prompting after the run and follow up with the auto name. I could include some other information in the prompts as well if I'd like, but I'm just going to skip that. Next, I'm going to go to Options Configure and look at my data files here. I'm going to make sure Auto Name the profile data files and Auto Name the text files is selected. I'm also going to say Save both profile and text files, and I can include what I want in the file name. I also can time and date code stamp the files as well, so we can see that automatically, as you can see right here. Okay, now I'm going to run a sample. So I hit run, and then I hit stop to stop it, and I'm going to be prompted for the information that I need to enter as the operator. So I'm going to enter line 7 here under line number, and under plant site I'm going to say New Orleans, and we'll go ahead and hit OK. Now you can see that information is loaded into the file name. I'm in the file path that I've specified for the files to go, and I hit save. Then next I'm going to bring up the location where I saved the files just so we can see that. And here are the files, and you can see that they're auto named here, and we have the DAT and the PFL file. So the DAT is the one that's the text file or the CSV file. And we can save that to a separate location if we would like. Thanks for taking the time to learn about the data management for the PR2000. Please contact us with any questions you may have.